MacBook Pro speaker issues caused by static noise and distorted audio can be frustrating, especially when it affects everyday use such as calls, music, or video playback. In this case, the device was brought in with noticeable crackling sounds, uneven volume, and distortion that worsened over time. These symptoms often point to internal speaker damage, dust buildup, liquid exposure, or worn components that can no longer produce clean sound. A thorough inspection was carefully performed to identify the root cause of the problem. The internal components were checked step by step, ensuring that the logic board, audio connections, and surrounding parts were safe and unaffected. After confirming that the issue was isolated to the speakers, a proper replacement was carried out using compatible, high-quality parts designed specifically for the MacBook Pro model. Precision and care were essential during the process. The old speakers were safely removed, and the new ones were installed with correct alignment and secure connections. Before final assembly, the audio system was tested to ensure there were no remaining issues. Once powered on, the difference was immediately noticeable. Clear sound, balanced volume, and zero static or distortion. Music sounded crisp, voices were natural, and system alerts played smoothly again. Thank you for trusting PC Formula with this repair. Customer satisfaction and quality service remain our top priorities, ensuring every device leaves fully tested, restored, and ready for daily use once again.